Okay. You have to do the today. How you do?
Put your paper and pencil ready.
Okay, yes, everyone have a paper and pencil ready. There are just 4 of us, so it's okay.
You only said that in the group. I just read that. You need today. You need pencil and paper for today.
Hare Krishna Madhav.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Krishna.
Hare Krishna Balavrinda. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
How to do the today? How you do?
Why don't you say?
Hare Krishna, everybody. Please get ready a paper and a pencil.
I already told that Pranav.
I know. I'm saying again. And if you want, you can say
Everything's in there.
colors.
Hare Krishna Pranav. Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare
What should we do today? He said something. Krishna Pranav, it's Kaushik.
Hare Krishna. Kaushiki. Okay. Does everyone have a paper and a pencil?
And some colors.
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji. I have a colored paper, Mataji. Is that okay?
Okay, it's okay. Yes. Okay, this is just a preparation for next week. You know what you're going to do today? We'll find out.
We will draw it.
Haribol, let's get started. Okay, we are already getting late.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Madhav.
Hare Krishna little mother.
Say Hare Krishna, everybody.
Hare Krishna Malavinda.
Say Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Madhav. Hare Krishna little cutie mother.
Cutie pie.
Say Hare Krishna. Say Hare Krishna. Madhav, what are you doing? Say Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna cutie mother.
Say Hare Krishna.
He has a name. He is Madhav. Okay.
Say Hare Krishna, beta. Everybody is telling her. Say Hare Krishna.
He has a Hare Krishna, everybody. Let's get
this time?
I like your car. Hey, Haribol. Welcome.
Damodar good. 2 to 6 years.
Let's get started with the prayers. Okay? Will we say it?
Om Jnana Talkaya Chakshur Amritam Yene Namo Namaha Shri Chaitanya Rabisham Swanam Namaste Saraswati Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare Rama Rama Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Rama Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare
Hari bol everybody. Whom do we have on the screen? Do you know your friend here?
Subhadra, happy birthday, Subhadra.
Yes, Subhadra's birthday. So shall we wish her together?
I know that. We know that.
You all know that, don't you? Happy birthday.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Subhadra. Happy birthday to you.
Subhadra, I want to say you something. Here is the cake for Mataji, can you also say something to Subhadra?
Of course, Valrinda.
Where is cake for us? For all the kids in the class. And Mataji.
Your mom
Come
is
for us.
Come.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Palvit. Hare Krishna.
And my mom delicious feed for you.
Okay, can Subhadra tell us how old is she now?
Mataji, I'm 7 years old.
You're 7 years old today. Very nice. And you're having a birthday party at home, and yet you came on the call. We are so happy to have you to share your birthday.
Yes, Mataji, my mom made a cake for all of us.
So nice, so nice. Have fun, okay? And lots.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
What sort of cake is it?
Subhadra, for 7-year-old, you have lot of knowledge. Very good, very good.
Thank you, Mataji.
Okay, okay. Thank you, everybody.
Put your blessing on me. Mataji, put your blessing on me.
You are already blessed, Subhadra. You are such a cute girl and very good in Krishna consciousness. You are very lucky.
Mataji. Thank you, Mataji. Thank you for blessing me, Mataji, and guiding me.
Guiding you. Oh my God, your mummy is guiding you very nicely. I think, yeah, we are all.
That's not Subhadra's mommy.
Okay, okay.
Happy Supata.
Oh, Hare Krishna, happy birthday.
Thank you, Tushita.
That was Tushita. Okay, Madhav, I thought. Yeah.
Say happy birthday, Subhadra.
Happy birthday, Supata.
Okay, very nice.
Thank you, Madhav.
Okay, so today we have a little work to do, so we'll get started with our class.
Thank you, Madhav. Thank you, Tushita. Thank you, everyone.
Today's story is about Raghunath Das Goswami. We all know about the special pastimes of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu with a Goswami. Okay, look at it quickly. Oh, Raghunath Das Goswami. I'm going to just mute everybody so then it's easier. Okay. So Raghunath Das Goswami, he first met Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu at Shantipur. Okay. And there he was seeking personal guidance. from the-
Mataji, we cannot hear you.
Little low volume, Mataji.
Little very low.
Very low volume. Oh my God. Okay.
Hare Krishna Mataji, this is Shubhadra.
Yeah.
Actually, I can hear you, Mataji, because I put in my sound off. Because someone came here to our house, that's why I put it the volume.
Can you hear me
down.
now? Is it better?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So let us see. Okay. So Raghunath Das Goswami, he met Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Okay, I think you'll have to just listen to me. He met Chaitanya Mahaprabhu at Shantipur, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave him very nice personal instructions. Raghunath Das Goswami was not interested in family life. He has a very rich family. His parents are very rich. They are big landlords. Okay. He has a very rich uncle also. He's also a big landlord. These landlords were collecting taxes for the king. On behalf of the king, they would collect taxes. So they had so much money. They're very wealthy. But still, Raghunath Das Goswami was not happy at home. He wanted to give up his family life. He just wanted to be with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, please don't do that. I don't want you to leave your responsibility. You have a nice family. Because once you do that, many other people will follow you. So you need to be a good example. For that, you need to stay there at home, do your responsibility, but always think about Krishna. Okay. When you do that, everyone will think, okay, you are very nice, you are doing very good, you have become normal, your parents will be happy, and you are following all your responsibilities. So your wife also will be very happy. But you will always be thinking about Lord Krishna. So what happened is Raghunath Das Goswami, his uncle actually, he had taken some extra taxes from he was collecting and keeping the extra money with him rather than giving it to the king. Okay. He was supposed to, he collected he collected 2 million coins at that time but he gave only 1.2 million to the king, and the remaining amount he kept to himself. Okay, he kept the remaining 800,000 with him, gold coins. So then what happened? So then Raghunath Das Goswami's uncle got caught in this process for keeping this money with him. So the one of the ministers, they informed the king that Raghunath Das Goswami's uncle, he has this extra money and he is being a thief. He's stealing from the government. He's stealing from the king. And so he has to be punished. That was a person who was a Chaudhary. He was a minister. And so the king's people came. The Chaudhary came to capture Raghunath Das Goswami's uncle. But what happened? Both Raghunath Das' father and his uncle, they both ran away. They escaped. And in this process, who got caught? Okay, I think I'll just mute anyone who's on. Yeah, because the father and uncle escaped, they caught Raghunath Das Goswami, and the Chaudhary was going to take him to the king. But Raghunath Das Goswami, he knew how to negotiate. He said, oh my, you are like my father. Actually, you are like my father's own brother. You are like my uncle. You are so loving and caring to me. You have done so much for our family. I don't know why my parents would not give you a share of the money and the profit that they are getting. We will find some way out. We will work something out. I'm really so fond of you, Raghunath Das Goswami said. So that Chaudhary, he fell for Raghunath Das Goswami's words. And he said, okay, okay, fine. You are like my nephew. I am your uncle. So now I don't want to keep you. I don't want to hurt you. So let me set you free. And Raghunath Das Goswami arranged for some money for the Chaudhary. Now, after this incident happened, Raghunath Das Goswami, he heard that now Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Lord Chaitanya went to Vrindavan. Yesterday, you all remember the nice pastime of the Lord in the jungle, right? In the forests of Jharkhand. So now he came back from Mathura and he is in Jagannath Puri. He's in Jagannath Puri now. So then Raghunath Das Goswami wants to go and meet the Lord so badly. He wants to meet him in Jagannath Puri. And so he started trying to run away from home. And every time he would try to run away, his father had big bodyguards for Raghunath Das Goswami. They will drag him and bring him back home. Okay. So after this happened few times, his parents were so troubled. They were like, what to do? We have to tie up this boy. He is always running away from home. And so their father said, what can we do? We got him married to a beautiful girl, and even he has all the opulence, all the wealth, everything he has. But he's not interested in any of this. Actually, Chaitanya, he was only mad for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He wanted to be with the Lord all the time. Then Raghunath Das Goswami got an idea. What is the idea? He decided to go to Panihati. He heard that Nityananda Prabhu is there. So he went there to Panihati, and nice. You see how Lord Nityananda Prabhu is sitting on a very large rock. He's sitting under a big tree on the banks of the Ganges. He was so effulgent. And Raghunath, he fell down and paid his obeisances from a distance to Nityananda Prabhu. And Nityananda Prabhu, some people told him, and Nityananda Prabhu saw, oh, there is Raghunath Das. And he said, you are a thief. Now you have to come and see me. And today I am going to punish you. So Nityananda Prabhu is very funny, you know. He has these very nice punishments for everybody. So Raghunath Das, he was still lying down. He was paying obeisances. And what did Nityananda Prabhu do? He put his lotus feet on Raghunath Das Goswami's head. You can see in the picture, right? So nicely he blessed Raghunath Das Goswami. If Nityananda Prabhu showers his mercy on someone, what happens to them? They automatically become very dear to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So that Nityananda Prabhu said, now I am going to punish you. You are a thief. So what is the punishment I am going to do? He said, I want you to make a festival. You have to feed all my associates. What should you feed them? He said, you have to feed them yogurt and chipped rice. So he called this festival, he said, this is called a Danda Mahotsav. It's a punishment. Danda is a punishment, right? But it's a festival of punishment. So Raghunath Das Goswami became so happy. He has so much money and he can feed all these. Even if 1 million people come, he can feed them, right? So he was so happy and he started arranging for all the supplies. He bought all the ingredients. What all did he buy? Okay, so this is where I want you to start taking out your paper and your pencil.
Paper.
I have a picture, but I will show it a little later. Okay. Actually, I can show it now. No. Yeah. Okay. Okay. You are going to draw a pot with yogurt, fruits, chipped rice. Okay, so you can put, this is going to be your shopping list. Why is it going to be a shopping list? I would like all of you to pay attention. Okay,
Mataji,
this is for next week. Yes, you
I
are
was
going to
saying,
make a, huh?
I was saying that can I do this later?
You can do it later, but next week we are going to make, Anjana Mataji will teach us how to make what?
This
Shira
night.
Dahi. She will teach us how to make Shira Dahi. We'll have a prasadam day, okay? So next week we'll try to make some boga for the Lord, and that will be chipped rice, okay, and yogurt, okay? So for that, I would like you to make your shopping list ready for your parents so that they can take it to the store. What is your shopping list going to have? It will have a picture of the pot, the chipped rice, and whatever fruits they need to buy. Okay? So let me tell the story. You all start drawing.
Do we have everything? Hare Krishna, Mataji, it's Deepak.
Yes,
My
Deepak.
I don't know what chip rice is, or my parents doesn't know. I think.
Oh, you can draw picture of rice, but you can write chipped rice. I know you know how to write, right?
Mataji,
Yes.
Mataji.
Yes.
I was saying we're going to do this next week, right, Mataji?
Oh, we are going to draw the picture today so that we can get the supplies ready for next week. Okay?
Mataji, can I do that later?
Yes. Okay, so let's see. What all did he get? He went and got yogurt, chipped rice, and lots of fruits for all the devotees. Okay, he bought some mangoes, he bought jackfruit, he bought bananas, he bought lychee, and he bought coconuts. Lychee is a fruit. He bought coconuts, all the local fruits that were available, he went and bought from the store. He bought flat rice. You know flat rice, right? The flattened poha kind of thing. So flat rice, and he bought big clay pots. And what did he do? He made 7 different varieties of flat rice with fruits and many other things. He made so many sweets. He put sandesh, he put rasgullas, he put cham chams, he put rice, yogurt, sweet meats. He put everything, and all the pots are so beautifully decorated with so many different types of fruits and sweets. And Raghunath Das Goswami first offered it to Lord Krishna, and after that you can draw your fruits that you need for this. Yeah, and after offering it to Krishna, he gave it to Lord Nityananda. So Nityananda Prabhu, before he was going to honor the prasadam, he made a nice receipt so that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu could come. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was not in Panihati at that time, okay? But that by Nityananda Prabhu's mystic powers, he was able to bring Chaitanya Mahaprabhu there. So this feast is going on the side of the Ganges. Everyone started coming from far and near. Okay, so everyone got 2 pots. One pot with rice and yogurt, and the other pot with condensed milk. Okay, so nice. One is sweet and one is slightly sour. So everyone had so much nice prasadam. The whole land was filled up with people, and Lord Nityananda became like a covered boy. He was enjoying with all his other friends like Gopas in Krishna's pastime. And so many pots of Raghunath Das Goswami started making so many pots of chipped rice. More and more people started coming. Finally, instead, all of the fruit sellers and shopkeepers started coming to that place because so many people are there. And they started giving all the supplies to Raghunath Das Goswami there itself. Okay, and he made something special with banana sugar, edible camphor, aguru. Camphor is a kind of thing that is flammable, but you can also use it to add to food for a special taste. And then cardamom seeds, cardamom water, and flowers over some of these pots. So it was a very special preparation. And Nityananda Prabhu loved it so much. They all started eating. And in this meantime, Nityananda Prabhu's lunch was prepared by Raghava Pandit. And he came with the lunch prasadam. And Nityananda Prabhu said, "No, I don't want your rice and sabji and everything that's prepared. I want to eat this dahi chida. I am a cowherd boy today." And so Raghava Pandit said, "Oh my God, then who will eat this prasadam? Please eat it now." So Nityananda Prabhu said, "No, I am going to eat this for lunch. You keep it. I will have that later for dinner." And after everyone got prasadam, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also was there. And they were, Nityananda Prabhu and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu were feeding each other. You can see how they were doing it in this picture. Yes, Vrinda, what do you want to know?
Actually, something came and it said like unmute or
Oh, okay, nothing. It's okay.
Mataji, can Bharavinda show
Yes.
my drawing?
Yes, you show. I will continue talking. Yes, go ahead and show. Very nice. So people were wondering what is going on. Only a few people could actually see that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was actually there. Wow. Oh my God, you drew all the fruits and you drew the pot of very nice pot of rice or chipped rice. Yes. Very nice.
Thank you, Mataji, because I know how to draw
Very
all
good.
the fruits in that pot.
Very nice. So after that, whatever Lord Nityananda Prabhu and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ate, Raghunath Das Goswami, he split it into 4 big pots and he distributed that among all his assistants, and they all got to eat the Mahaprasadam of Nityananda Prabhu and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That is the end of this very beautiful pastime. And because we have an activity, I do not have a story. I do not have questions for you. Okay. So we can show this afterwards. Let Anjana go. Yes, thank you. Very nice, buddy. Good job, Pranav. Okay.
Krishna Mataji, I have to do this.
Who is that? One sec.
Hare
Hare Krishna, Anjana Gopika Mataji.
Krishna Mataji, this is Shubhadra.
Hare Krishna, everyone.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yes, now we can.
Krishna Mataji.
It's okay, Janvi. It's
Hare-
fine.
Hare Krishna Mataji,
Very nice,
please accept
Linda.
my humble obeisances.
Hare Krishna, Subhadra. Happy Krishna consciousness birthday to you.
Thank you, Mataji.
Okay, we will learn the sloka, okay?
Okay.
Now, everyone can repeat, okay, after me. Dehino ismin yatha dehe. Komaram yovanam jara. Tatha dehantara prapti. Tirastatra namuyati. Dehino ismin yatha Komaram yovanam jara. तथा देहांतरा प्राप्ति धीरस्तत्र न मुह्यति देहिनो यस्मिन् यथा देहे मारं यौवनं जरा तथा देहांतरा प्राप्ति धीरस्तत्र न मुह्यति. Now we have we will go to the rhyme. Okay, rhyme. Lotus feet, soft and sweet.
Lotus feet, soft and sweet.
Lord Chaitanya dancing.
Dancing.
Prabhu Nityananda sing. Krishna's name is everything.
Krishna's name is everything.
Gaurnitai, hear our cry. Take us home back to Godhead.
Take us home back to you, Godhead.
Hear our cry, Gaurnitai.
Hear our cry, Godhead.
Take us home to you.
Take us home back to you.
Thank you so much. Now we can.
Mataji,
Yes.
Mataji, can Shubhadra say the shloka?
Yes. So Subhadra. Yeah. Subhadra.
Okay.
Yes. Jani. Subhadra,
Dehinosmin,
Jani, Krishna Mayu. Yes. Subhadra. 1 second. I have to-
Dehinosmin yata dehe Kumaram yovanam jara Tata dehantara prapter Dhirastatra namuhyati. Lord is soft and sweet, Lord Chaitanya dancing, Prabhu Nityananda sing. Krishna's name is everything. Gaurnitai, hear our cry, take us home back to Godhead. Hear our cry, Gaurnitai, take us home back to you.
Thank you so much, Subhadra.
Mataji.
Janavi, go ahead.
Mataji, can I go after Janavi? This is Keshavi.
Yes, you can raise the hand, Kesavi. I'll call one by one. Yovanam
Yovanam jara tata dehantara prapti dirasatana mohyate. Lotus feet, soft and sweet, Lord Chaitanya dancing, Prabhu Nityananda sing. Krishna name is everything. Gaurnitai, hear our cry, take us home back to God. Hear our cry, Gaurnitai, take us home back to you.
Okay, thank you, Janavi. Krishna, can you go?
Yes, Mataji. I want to say the rhyme and the sloka.
Go ahead.
Dehinosmin yatha dehe komaram evanam jala tata dehantala praptil tilas tatra namuhyati. Lotus feet, soft and sweet, Lord Chaitanya dance. Prabhu Nityananda sings. Krishna's name is everything. Go Nitya, hear our cry. Take us home back to Godhead. Hear our cry. Go Nitya, take us home back to you.
Thank you so much. Mayu, can you go next? Mayu?
Mataji, can I go?
Mayu, can you go? Then Chaitanya
dancing, Prabhu Nitya sings. Krishna's name is everything. Gaurnitai, Hira Kai, take us home back to Godhead. Hira Kai, Gaurnitai, take us home back to you. Dehinosmin Dehe Kamadam Yavanam Jala Tata Dehanta Papir Tirastatra
Namuhyate. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mayuk. Now, Madhav. Can you go, Madhav, now?
See the shloka. Dehinosmin yatha dehi kaumaram yauvanam jara tatha dehantara prapte dhiras tatra namuyati. Okay, now we see the rhyme. Lotus feet,
Clapper attendant blessings, cases seems for have a thing. Or a tie, have a white, make cousin, clap to God head.
hear our cry.
Or a tie, have a cry, or a tie, take us home back to you.
Yes, thank you, Mataji.
That is Mother James, you with the bye.
Thank you so much, Madhav. Now, Kesavi. Kesavi, can you go next?
Okay, Mataji. Dehinosmi yatha dehe kaumaram yavanam jara thada dehantana praptir dhirastattra namunyati. Lotus sweet, soft and sweet, Lord Chaitanya dancing, Prabhu Nityananda sings, Krishna's name is everything. Gaur Nitai, hear our cry. Take us home back to Godhead, hear our cry. Gaur Nitai, take us home back to you. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much. Now, Balavrinda, can you go next?
Okay. Komaram Yavaram Jara Sarade Adara Dira Muyare Lotus feet, Lord, feet, Lord Chaitanya sing, Prabhu Nityananda sing. Krishna's name is everything. God did I take us home back to God and you're all God. Corny died, take us home back to you.
Thank you. Anybody want to try next? Anybody want to? Anybody want to try? Madhav, Deepak, you want to try? Madhav already did.
Hare Krishna.
One Madhav is not there.
Hare
Okay.
Krishna Mataji. It's
Yes.
Deepak. Can I say the slogan?
Yes.
Dehinosmin yata dehe kauma ram yauvanam jara tata deharanta prapapartir dura
Dhirastatra namo
dirastatra namo
muhi.
mahimati. Lotus feet, soft and sweet, Lord Chaitanya dancing, Prabhu Nityananda sings, Krishna's name is everything. Gaur Nitai, hear our cry, take us home back to you. Hear our cry, Gaur Nitai, take us home back to you.
Thank you so much. Anybody want to try? Palvit?
Mataji, Palvit, and we are done, Mataji.
Okay. Thank you, Mataji. Anybody is there from this group?
Hare Krishna,
Yes. Who is this?
Madhava.
Madhavaya. Go ahead.
Yeshidosmin yatade he komadam devvanam yaratade hantarapyati Vidasasana muyati. Lotus sweet, soft and sweet, Lord Chaitanya dancing, Prabhu Nityananda sings, Krishna's name is everything. Oh Nitai, hear the cry, take us home, back to you, back to God and oh Nitai, hear the cry, take us home, back to you.
Thank you so much, Madhav. Thank you, everyone. You all are doing very nicely, rhymes and slokas. Thank you so much. I think, Mataji, we can end the call now.
Okay, Mataji.
We all can pay our
Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha. Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji. Bye. Thank you for the night. Bye bye Mataji. Bye bye Mataji. Happy chat.